In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube video from start to finish without spending a dime. Many people are making a killing on YouTube, and you too can do so. But sometimes we get discouraged because money is needed to get started. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you could get started without spending a dime. If that sounds like what you want to know, then let's jump right into this video. The first step would be to record a video. The kind of video you would want to record depends on your niche. So you would have to choose a niche, or you already have a niche in mind. Then you would have to then go ahead to recording your video. But there are 3 steps to this. Okay, so the first would be to use your mobile device to record the video, or if you've got a professional camera, you might want to use the camera to record the video. But if you don't have a camera, a professional camera, the camera on your mobile device is more than enough to do the job. So all you have to do is to use your mobile camera to record the video. This method is going to work for you if you have a channel in the travel niche. You have a channel where you would have to show your face. Okay, so you could use the camera to show your face while you talk, or you want to make comedy skits, you could use your phone camera to video your comedy. Okay, the next method would be to use the screen recorder on your laptop or your mobile device to record your screen. Okay, so most phones have a screen recorder. If yours doesn't have, you would have to go to the Play Store to download a mobile screen recorder. This would help you record what is going on your screen. Or you could use your laptop also to record your screen. Okay, so this is pretty simple. Now, this type of recording is going to work for a tech type of channel, or let's say you have a channel where you teach a how-to channels. Okay, basically you have a tech channel, you have a YouTube channel where you teach people how to make money online. For example, the way I am doing in this video, you would have to record your screen. Okay, so basically you teach people anything on your channel, or you intend to do so, you would definitely want to use this strategy to record your videos. Now, the third doesn't really require you recording anything. Okay, so this is where you would have to use video clips that are not yours, okay, but they are free to use. Okay, so there are a ton of YouTube channels that are doing this. Okay, so all you would have to do is to go to platforms like TikTok, okay, to get some video clips. You could go to Instagram to get some video clips. Okay, you could also get free video clips and pictures from Pixabay, from Brigxel. You could also visit Creative Commons, okay, to get a ton of free images. Okay, these materials could be used freely to make YouTube videos. Okay, so that's how that works. Okay, so here you're actually not recording anything. What you're doing is you're using free clips to make your video. Okay, so the second step would be to create a voiceover. Okay, and how this works is that you would first have to write a script. Okay, so once you've written a script, then there are 2 approaches to it, and the first would be to use your voice. Okay, but sometimes people kind of wouldn't want to use their voice, probably maybe because their voice sound awful. Then the right thing to do would be to use a text-to-speech software to convert your script into an audio clip that you could use to match with the video you have recorded. Okay, so how this is done is that you're going to go to Google and search free TTS on the Google search engine, and then you're going to see a bunch of results. You're going to make your choice. Once you've selected any of them, what you would have to do is to paste your script in one of those softwares, and they're going to turn your script into a clip. You would have to then download it and then use it to edit your videos. So if you want to use your voice, your mobile phone definitely has a voice recorder. If it doesn't, you could go to Play Store to download a voice recorder and then read the script while you use the voice recording app to record your voice. Okay, so that's how that is done. And once these two steps are done, you've recorded a video, you've gotten some video clips and pictures you want to use, and you've recorded your voice, then the third step would be to actually edit the videos. And to do this, you would need a video editing software. Okay, if you go to Google, you could also search that. There are a ton of video editing softwares, both for mobile devices and laptops and computer and what have you. Okay, so once you've chosen which of them you would want to use, all you have to do is to log in into the device and start using it to make sense of all of the things I've been saying so far. Okay, personally, I love the Power Director video editing software. Okay, so they've got the mobile version and the PC version. Okay, so all you have to do is to log in, as you can see right now. And once logged in, you would then go ahead to use the software to edit your videos. Now, to avoid making this video unnecessarily long, I'm not going to be using this software to show you how to do this, but I've got a video linked in the description where I showed in details how to use this software to create a YouTube video. If you want to see that, make sure you visit the link in the description. It's going to show you exactly how to use this software to edit a YouTube video and produce an awesome looking video. Okay, so after editing your video, the final step would be to upload the video to YouTube. Okay, and most times you might want to add a personal branding touch to the video, and to do this, you could use a software to add logo to your video. Okay, so all you would have to do is to go to Play Store and download a software that could help you add your personal logo to your video. Now a ton of video editing softwares can actually do that for you, but you would have to go with the pro version for you to be able to do that. So since this video is definitely on how to avoid any form of payment, then you might want to actually use a free software to do that. Okay, so these are the steps to making a YouTube video. If you want to do this, you have to know that it is going to take you time. You're definitely going to spend hours doing this. Okay, and why? Because you are using the free method. Now, if you don't have the time to do all of this, you might want to speed up the process, and this is where you have to use AI softwares to do the whole thing. You automate the process with AI softwares. If you want to know the best AI softwares you could use to make YouTube videos literally in under 10 minutes or 5 minutes, okay, check the link in the description. You're gonna see my recommended best softwares that can help you do this. Okay, but this method is gonna involve some payment. Okay, so make sure you use the links in the description to navigate around to find out more about this. Okay, so this is Brigxel Bees, and it's your guy Ken signing out.